Hi guys! Welcome sa Step 9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on word problems. No? And sabi natin, ang word problem ay isa sa mga word problem na word problem na sinusolve natin sa algebra. No? And karaniwan lumalabas ito sa mga junior high school. No? So, ang isa pa ay ang work problem ay karaniwan ay hindi siya realistic, no? So, for example, sa problem number 2, Charlie can dig a ditch in 12 hours and Danny can do the same job in 8 hours. If they work together, how many hours will they finish the job? So, hindi siya realistic but we have to solve it anyway, no? So, again, just a brief review. Pag Charlie can dig a ditch in 12 hours, no? So, sa first hour nila, ang matatapos ni Charlie ay 1/12 of the job, di ba? Sa first hour. Sa second hour ay 2/12 of the job. Third hour ay 3/12 of the job. Samantalang si Danny, ganun din, no? Sa first hour niya, matatapos niya yung 1/8 of the job. And 2/8 sa third hour and 3/8 sa fourth hour. And so on, di ba? And so on yan. Hanggang matapos sila. Hanggang si Charlie ay 12 hours. So, sa 12th hour, magiging 12/12. At si Danny hanggang 8 hours. Sa 8th hour. Sa 8th hour niya ay magiging 8/8. Or 1, no? So, pag dalawa sila, no? Syempre, ipa-plus natin itong kanilang sa first hour, magiging 1/12 plus 1/8, no? Ayun din, sa second hour, magiging 2/12 plus 2/8. Yun yung kanilang matatapos na job. Na-assume natin na additive, pero I think in reality, hindi naman yan totoo, no? Meaning, we can 1/12 times the number of hours. Ito yung work na matatapos ni Charlie. Work done by Charlie plus the work done by Danny times the number of hours is equal to 1. Yun yung entire work niya, no? So, si Charlie kasi, di ba? So, 1/12, 2/12, 3/12, and so on hanggang matapos yung entire job, no? Ganon din si 1/8. So 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and so on, no? So pag kinumbay natin tong dalawang to, no? Syempre mas mabilis nila matapos yung job, no? Kasi magkakasama silang dalawa. So if we let x be the number of hours, no? That they work together. Actually, this is the number of hours also that they work together. Hindi ko lang binuo, no? Pareho yan, di ba? Kasi sabay naman sila nagsimula, no? If they work together, how many hours? Ibig sabihin sabay sila nagsimula. So, magiging 1/12x plus 1/8x equals 1, no? So again, kagaya sa previous videos na sinabi ko sa inyo, pag may fraction, ang pinakamadali is to multiply. Pag may fraction yung equation, yung pinakamadali is to multiply both sides of the equation by the LCM of the denominator. So ano yung LCM ng 12 tsaka 8? So divided by 2, this is 6, this is 4. Divided by 2, this is 3, this is 2. Magagamit nyo dito yung tinuro ko sa inyo, no? Yung LCM. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 8, times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24. So if I multiply both sides of the equation by 24, mawawala na yung fraction, di ba? Plus 1/8x equals 24 times 1. So nagmultiply ako ng 24 both sides. So magiging 24 times 1/12x. By distributive property, i-distribute ko itong 24 plus 24 times 1, 8x equals, what is 24 times 1? Just 24. Ano ang 24 times 1 over 12? 24 times 1 over 12. Anong ginagawa nga natin? Pag whole number times fraction. Diba yung whole number, nilalagyan lang natin ng over 1 and then we multiply the numerator tsaka we multiply the denominator. So this is 24 over 12 or 24 divided by 12, diba? So magiging 2. So 2x plus, what is 24 divided by 8? This is 3x equals 24. So 5x equals 24 and x is 24 over 5. Divide ko both sides by 5, yung 5x sa 24. 5x over 5 equals 24 over 5. Okay? Kaya 24 over 5 yung x natin. Ano ulit yung x? Yun yung number of hours, no? And what is 24 over 5? Pag ginawa nating mixed number. So 24 divided by 5, this is 4 times 5, 20. 24 minus 20 is 4. Meaning 4 and 4/5. So x is equal to 4 and 4/5. Ano ulit yung x? Balikan natin. Number of hours that they work together. So, umiksi ba o humaba ba? Umiksi, no? Kasi yung isa 12 hours, yung isa 8 hours. If they work together, 4 and 4/5 hours na lang yung kanilang time na magtatrabaho. Siyempre, pag nag-work together yung dalawang tao, mas iiksi yung trabaho. Okay, so sana ay may natutunan kayo dito sa ating video. I invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/9ph. Nasa YouTube kayo, click nyo lang yung subscribe button and then the bell, no, para ma-notify kayo every time we upload the video. Okay, gusto ko rin kayong invite sa zip9.com yung ating website, no? And kung nasa YouTube kayo, nasa baba yung mga links, no, ng ating Facebook page and so on. So, click nyo lang yan kung gusto nyo i-visit. Okay, maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next video.